Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a custom domain in Heroku. So, in order to do this, first of all, confirm that you own the custom domain name. You can buy a custom domain name with a domain registration service. So, to add a custom domain with a subdomain, you'll have to simply use the domains add Heroku CLI command. So, it will look something like this, as you can see on the screen. Just type this command and you'll be easily able to do that. So add the custom domain to your app with the Heroku domains dash colon add command. Now look up the Heroku supplied DNS target for the custom domain using the Heroku domains command and configure your app's DNS provider to point to the Heroku supplied DNS target. Now, confirm that your app is accessible via the custom domain. There might be a delay while DNS changes propagate. So, you can also configure your DNS for subdomains. So after you add a domain with Heroku domains colon add command, you need to point your DNS provider at the DNS target provided by Heroku. You can view this DNS target with the Heroku domains command. Now, you usually configure a new CNAME record with your DNS provider to point it at Heroku. The following table shows common CNAME record patterns. Now, consult your DNS provider's documentation for specific instructions on creating CNAME records. You can confirm that your DNS is configured correctly with the host command, assuming your DNS changes have propagated. And after you do this, you would have successfully added a custom domain in Heroku. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.